the 152nd roll call check-in tonight here. I'm Hovercraft Man. I'm going to be your host here again tonight from the San Francisco Bay Area Jaw Jackers Network. Today is June the 3rd, 2020. We are on channel 17 AM from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock for all you folks out there who are listening also on the internet. We have Popcorn manning the internet tonight. Thank you, Popcorn. Appreciate it. And the rest of the people out here would like to be able to help me out with a little bit of relaying. That would be nice. Let's have a nice orderly roll call here tonight. All right, let's start getting going here. For an honorable mention, we've got Showdown in Hawaii in the hospital. So let's kind of have a couple of prayers for the poor guy over there. Aloha, Showdown. Hope you do better. Amen, buddy. All right, now let's see if we can get the number one slot out here. Who's ever going to be the loudest, or in my situation here, the clearest if I can hear you. And let's go for it.
Macintosh, 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 Macintosh. Macintosh? Macintosh.
Wow, what a mess that was. Let's try that one more time, man. Everybody was just coming in all at the same time. What?
Macintosh, 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 Macintosh. Yeah, that's a mess. Macintosh?
You know what? I think I'm going to give Wolfie the number one slot here tonight. I heard that woo over anything right now. Isn't that kind of wild how the radio waves are working? Wolfie, you made number one tonight. Congratulations. Oh, yeah.
Macintosh, Macintosh, Macintosh. Macintosh. Macintosh.
Honky just got down.
Macintosh. Just for the heck of it. Stuff that's going on, but Hovercraft, Honky just Macintosh. Macintosh, Macintosh.
Talk to your radio, huh? You're going to have to talk to your radio. City of 54, worldwide, got down. Whoa. Hang on, Junior. Hey, wait a second here. Wait till I'm saying number 3 is open now, okay? Hang back, hold them britches up, man. I'll get to you here. All right? Okay, number 3 slot is now open.
Macintosh, 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 Macintosh. Macintosh. Macintosh, 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 Macintosh. Macintosh.
You're now number 3. Okay, you didn't hear me. You were number 3 at 510. So who was number 2? Number 2 is number 4, California. Who was number 2? Oliver, who was number 2? Who was number 2, Oliver? Worldwide, want to know who was number 2? Brag. California Eagle, California Eagle, California. Worldwide, got it down. How about it, Hovercraft? Time bomb checking in. Got your time bomb. Good evening tonight here, Joe. I hope you're doing well.
Macintosh, 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 Macintosh.
Redfoot checking in, Hover. Got me over here. 6-5. Who
Macintosh, 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 Macintosh.
Hovercraft, Leadfoot, check in. Got a copy? Check in.
Macintosh.
Go for number 6 tonight. Good evening, Eagle. You made it in there. Number 7 to 1,000.
Macintosh, 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 Macintosh.
Oh, Smiley. 510. 510, Smiley.
Copy. Come on.
Yes.
Smiley.
Smiley, 510.
Good evening, Smiley 510. You made it in there, number 7.
Macintosh, Macintosh, Macintosh.
Number 8. What's number?
Macintosh, 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 Macintosh.
Good radio. Come in, come on. Over. Redfoot checking in.
Macintosh. Macintosh.
In there, man. Over everybody right there. Nice and clean. Good evening to you. All right, now number 9.
Macintosh, 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 Macintosh.
Redfoot checking in.
Macintosh.
Got you, Leadfoot. Got you in there, Leadfoot. Go ahead, Leadfoot. You're sounding good out here tonight. Number 10. Who wants 10?
Macintosh, 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 Macintosh. Macintosh.
The Green Oyster. Good evening, there, Greg. Sounding good over here. Number 11.
Macintosh, 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 Macintosh.
All right. Number 11 is Macintosh out there. Good evening, Macintosh. Good to hear you, man. Number 12. Who wants that one? I got you, Steve Austin. You're number 12 in there tonight. Good evening, Steve Austin. Go to 28. Time bomb. Go to 28. We're doing a roll call here. Hovercraft, popcorn will take 13. Popcorn will take 13. Got you, popcorn. You're lucky 13 out there, and thank you very much for manning the computer here. Appreciate it. Super Pete, got you in there, Pete. Good evening to you. Hope you're doing well. All right, number 17 is now up on the chart. Howard, yardstick, checking in. Who, yardstick? Got you, yardstick. Sounding good out here. A little bit undermodulated. If you boost it up, it'll sound loud. Yeah, 707, his number is 18. Got it? 707 up there, his number 18. Got it.
Number 18, Washington State, looking for that number 18 or 19 or whatever the next spot is. 495 is all I got out there right now. 495, Washington State, leaning back, bye-bye.
Got you, Washington State, you're 19. Thank you very much for checking in way up north.
That was 495. That was 495, Studio 54.
Copy, I was writing it down. Correct, got you in there, Washington State, 495. You're 19 out there. Thank you so much for checking in. Number 20 is up for grabs.
We got you 988 Portland, Oregon. Is it okay if we check you in there? 988 Portland, Oregon, 510 with the wave.
Yeah, I got 495 here on 19. Copy them with Washington State. Alright, number 20 is up for grabs out here on the roll call tonight in the Bay Area.
Hey, 10-4 Bird Dog, I got you all up in there for sure. Hey, Bird Dog, I heard that. I am enjoying every little bit of it. 495, Washington State, sitting here listening. Bye-bye.
Hey, 988 Portland, Oregon's trying to check in for number 20.